For the people interested in sewing machine, the vintage ones, I just want to share with you this channel from YouTube. It has very interesting videos with mostly maintenance, but also a few tricks, a few repairs. Now there's one important barrier here. It's a foreign language channel, so you'll not understand the talk, but the videos are pretty self-explanatory. Let's just try to play this one here.
This is how to
Maybe skip the ads. YouTube, what are you doing
दोस्तों
today?
आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल सजाद मास्टर
So you will see, this is, from my understanding, this is a repair person. And if someone can point out the language or maybe the region, the country, but he works mainly with what appears to be foreign brands, vintage sewing machine, very old ones, and showing quite a few tricks. Again, you don't even have the translation available, so you'll not understand what he's talking unless this is your main language. But the video he's showing are just, I guess, entertaining to watch. Also, maybe you will get some useful information. Just go ahead, especially if you like this older vintage machine. And I will just point out, so there are not too many videos. There's like, what is that, 12 or 12 about. However, I want to say something. Yes, in those areas, perhaps these are poorer countries, you will notice they hold on those vintage machines. They repair them, they maintain them. They just they are very skilled of even sometimes replacing or manufacturing parts, actually, if they don't have available. So yeah, I think it's interesting. He has a few tricks. I could tell you, he appears to be very skilled, which does not surprise me. The people in those areas, they are very handy, and oftentimes they will have surprising tricks to make to repair and make over these older machines.